Welcome to AMZ World, the place where you will find the best Amazon product descriptions. Coffee lovers, are you tired of spending a fortune at cafes? Ever wondered if you could be your own barista? Well, get ready to meet your new morning best friend, the CASABREWS 3700E-BLK Espresso Machine. But can it really make cafe-quality drinks, you ask? With its 20-bar pressure system, this beast extracts every bit of flavor from your beans. It's like having a coffee shop superhero in your kitchen. What about fancy lattes? Oh, you're in for a treat. The steam wand lets you channel your inner artist. Cappuccinos, lattes, macchiatos, you name it, you'll make it. And with the 49-ounce water tank, you can caffeinate the whole family without constant refills. Is it complicated to use? Fear not. This user-friendly machine comes with everything you need. 2 filter sizes, a Tamper spoon combo, it's like CASABREWS read your mind. Plus, its compact design means it won't eat up your counter space. It's basically the Mary Poppins of coffee makers, practically perfect in every way. Ready to upgrade your morning routine? Click the Amazon link in the description for an amazing discount. Trust me, your taste buds and wallet will thank you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to help our channel grow. We love you all. See you in the next video. Welcome to AMZ World. We're your gateway to the best of Amazon. Explore our channels: AMZ Sports for athletic gear, AMZ Mobility for tech on the go, AMZ Home for household essentials, and AMZ Tech for the latest gadgets. Our videos provide detailed descriptions and overviews of top-selling products on Amazon. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.